Billboard Philippines. Volumes.
On this episode of Billboard Philippines Volumes, we have BGYO on the show today. They give us a sneak peek of their brand new single and a glimpse to the rebirth of BGYO. Learn more from the group as we turn up the volume on BGYO.
Billboard Philippines. Volumes.
Yes, welcome to Billboard Philippines Volumes, where we turn up the volume on your favorite artist stories. And today we are with Akira, Jello, JL, Mickey, and Nate. The boys of BGYO are here with us today. Make some noise. Yes. No, we are super excited to have you here today. This is a long time coming. This is a very long time coming, but thank you for being here today. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. The thing we like to do here at Billboard Philippines Volumes is just kind of take it back for a second. So maybe we could go one by one. What is your first memory with music?
Uy.
Oh,
Akira, ikaw magsimula.
Aki, pasagot ka na.
pwede. Okay.
First memory ko po siguro, nakaupo ako sa ibabaw ng computer desk nung
Yup.
mother ko
Mm-hmm.
while she's playing a Japanese song.
Wow. Okay.
So, sinasabayan ko yung kanta po na yun. Pero
Yes.
hindi ko na maalala kung anong kanta. Basta Japanese song po siya. Parang 4 years old, ganun po siguro ako.
Wow. Okay.
Ako first memory ko kasi bilang bata dati, mahilig ako kasama ng kapatid ko manood ng mga musical shows like High School Musical. So,
Yep.
mahilig kami mag-video dati ng kapatid ko na kunyari yung na 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 yeah. Tapos inaaway ko pa yung kapatid ko nun kasi natatawa sila nung nanay ko na kumakanta ako. Hindi naman talaga ako singer dati. Trip-trip lang. Then, eventually, na-inspire kasi ako sa ate ko sa pagsasayaw, sa singing, kung saan ako ngayon. Kaya, para na-expose ako ng bata ako sa mga dance competition. So, yung mga remix sa mga pyesa ng mga dance groups, sobrang helpful dun sa akin to love music more.
Wow.
I think my first memory of music was when I was like 3 or 4 or 5, and I was watching a show, America's Best Dance Crew,
Wow.
and then there was performers, and the song was like, I don't know the actual song. I just know I was saying Santa wants a nunchuck. I think it's Snoop Dogg or something, but I can't remember the actual song.
Yep.
It just sounds like that. Santa wants a nunchuck. That's it.
For me, I think it was when my brother started playing Simple Plan songs and
Wow, cool.
Linkin Park songs.
Yes.
So he had like 2 CDs of their album, and I
Mhm.
was like, wow. So it was something different, and I fell in love with music after that.
Amazing. Yes.
Ako naman yung first memory ko sa music, tandang-tanda ako, lagi sinasabi ng mom ko na ang sa ulo kong song nung 3 years old ako is Narda by Kamikaze.
Yes.
Yun yung lagi kong kinakanta sa karaoke.
Oo.
Every time na may mga occasion yung family namin. So hanggang ngayon, tanda ko pa rin.
Wow. I mean, starting there and just having these first moments with music and then jumping to the now, you're 4 years into this. You just celebrated your 4th year anniversary. How has the journey been so far? Where are you at right now, and how are you feeling about where you're at with the music?
Right now, kami po super tawag dun, motivated kami ngayon.
Yes.
And
yes.
we started the year strong, and we feel like we know that this year is our rebirth. We had 4 years into
Mhm.
our career. We learned a lot. We grew wiser. We improved our skills and all
Yep.
that, and our characters as well. So this year we are starting strong, and especially with you guys here to support us, we are so super happy.
I love that word rebirth. I love that word rebirth, and I think it's a beautiful message and way to say that we're here to start a new path as who we are now. And you have been putting out a lot of great music. Of course, I have a personal fan favorite of Trash. It's really good.
Trash.
Same.
It's really good. I really love that song. And I was fortunate enough to watch you guys live, and wow, when it comes to dancing and putting on a show, guys really got it.
Thank
Yeah,
you
we
po.
see the work. We see the work. We see the work. We've also seen that you've been putting out a lot of music in different genres too. So, how does it feel to be exploring all these different avenues?
It feels good because I think our first album was first two albums were kind of experimenting still and
Yep.
learning and feeling out like the genres which one like we're comfortable in, and
Mm-hmm.
we're lucky enough to try a lot of genres,
Yeah.
and we finally reached trash, and
Yes.
I love trash too.
Uh,
And I think we started to feel like, oh, this is good for us, and it
This is
feels
our
good.
sound.
Yeah, it kind of feels like
Yep.
us. So yeah, I think we're going somewhere there.
Yep. It takes a long time to get there as an artist, to actually evolve or turn into the artist you're going to be. Eh, Are you excited that you're starting to feel that? And for this new music, do you think this is the most BGYO you've ever been?
Yes po kasi compared to the first eras namin as a group, yung
Mhm.
mga first two albums namin, sobrang kapag i-compare mo siya sa EP na ilalabas namin, mas hands-on kami and mas um, collaborative kami sa management and sa lahat ng mga kasama namin sa team. So,
Mhm.
pati yung mga creative side, yung music, yung sound, as in sobrang involved kami doon kaya we're so happy.
How does it feel to be making music not just here in the Philippines but in different parts of the world now? You're working with a lot of great musicians, collaborators. You're taking it outside and becoming truly global. How do you feel about this?
Um, it feels good because we're finally reaching a new place,
Mm-hmm.
and we're so hungry to try everything. And now that we're kind of in a place we feel like is us, we're gonna give more than 100%. And what we have now, I really like, and I think they love it a lot too. We're excited for everybody to hear even past the first EP.
Yes.
There's so much.
And I think yung lahat ng mga na-experience namin, sa dami na na-experience namin sa 4 years na yun, I think it's about time na ibuga na namin, ilabas namin yung mga natutunan namin. Tsaka
Exactly.
pakita namin yung improvement talaga.
Rebirth.
Rebirth,
yes.
What have been some of your favorite moments on tour, traveling, making this music?
Meron ako kay Jello sa album showcase namin.
I like
Yan!
that.
Yan!
Talk about this guy right
Nagulat siya. Parang kinabahan ka.
So when we had was that the first album showcase, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
I think I know what this is.
BL's album. We had an album showcase SM North,
Mm.
and there was we performed what song was that?
Extra.
No,
Oh,
no,
no.
no, no.
Game on.
Game
Game
on.
on, game
Game
on.
on.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
ikaw na kwento.
Hindi. Nadapa lang ako, yun lang yun.
No.
Now that's true brotherhood. If that's your
Yes.
favorite moment, alumna.
so
That's
good.
We were there for each other naman.
Kasi siya kasi gitna sa part na yun, tapos bigla siyang nadapa. Tapos ang tagal niya mag-recover.
Step kasi parang mahirap
It felt like
Hindi, nadulas ka lang talaga, hindi mahirap.
You brought it back up, did a spin move, and it was all good. For sure, for sure.
Yes.
Oo.
bawal siya rin sa akin.
Hindi naman kailangan nakakatuwang experience.
Oo,
Kung
parang-
ano din, tumatak sa'yo.
Oo.
Meron ka.
Nag-iisip yan ng ano,
Um,
epic fail na mo.
ako,
Go, Nick.
ay, funny siya. Funny muna. Kuya Jello ulit. This was when we were doing our performance. What is it called? Bonfire.
Bonfire?
The bonfire.
Yeah,
the bonfire performance, and this is. So our first song was like, this is our debut song for the first song of the night, The
Mhm.
Light.
the light.
And like we wanted to do it like emotional, and like there's like a build up. So there's like an emotional piano. It's like
Yes.
dung, 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 dung. And then we have like a harmony. But Kuya Jello sang too early. He was like, Kuma, Kuma, ano? Ooh. And he was the only one singing. That's good. My favorite memory. Yeah. Meaningful.
Meaningful. Oo.
Puro ano, puro joke.
I think our 4th anniversary our fourth
Ah.
anniversary, which was in Batangas.
Mm.
So we were celebrating with our aces, and it was on the beach. It was really. It's the first time we were able to interact with our aces like that. So
Mm.
that was memorable because we swam, we ate, and we
Wow.
got tired
Full
together.
experience.
Yeah,
Yes.
really close and like raw.
Tsaka para siyang yung pakiramdam niya nung fourth anniversary na event din. Parang retreat na
Yeah.
magbaband talaga kayo. Tapos after nun, parang mas solid na kayo as
Mhm.
Aces and
May
VGY.
bonfire din
Since
sa
yung Iran.
gabi.
May nakalimutan kayo.
Hala.
Yung nag-US tayo, syempre, Canada,
Ay,
Oh
North,
yeah.
Yes.
Our
North
longest
America.
one yet.
Tell
Yeah.
us about it. Tell us about it.
Ano siya eh, walang, lahat, the whole trip, ano po kami, when was this? 2024?
Four.
Last year.
Last year.
Last year po.
Still
40 days.
nangyari.
Last year, nag-Canada po kami. We went to Toronto first. And then we were able to perform in a lot of Filipino music
Yes.
festival.
Mm.
And it feels so great to connect with the Filipinos all around the world.
All over the
in
world.
Canada, US. And we were able to perform at the Fashion Week as well.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
LA Fashion Week.
Yeah.
Also San Francisco. Friendship Games, so many places.
Wow.
Actually,
Yeah.
yung trip na yun, ang dami nating first time. Alam mo,
Yeah.
first
Yes.
time natin makakita ng Northern Lights, di ba?
Ayun.
Oh yeah, we
Yung
saw
Aurora.
the Aurora.
Timing yun.
Which
So-
is sobrang grabe.
Yung maganda sa story niyan, because 2023 dapat meron po kaming Calgary.
Okay.
Hindi natuloy.
Yes.
So, nalipat siya sa 2024.
Mm.
So, pagdating namin sa Calgary po, sakto, dun lumabas yung ano,
The Aurora.
Lights.
Aurora. And we were like, perfect timing talaga yung binigay ni
Exactly.
Lord. Kung, what if last year punta tayo, hindi natin makikita to or gonna. And during that time, we were just all quiet, looking at the sky. Tapos parang, next year, man.
Yeah,
That was
next year.
crazy.
Sobrang memorable din sa amin nung trip na yun sa Canada and US kasi yun yung pinakamahaba naming stay sa ibang bansa.
Oh yeah.
40 days.
Halos 40 days.
Yeah,
a month
40
and a
days.
few
Wow.
days.
40 days.
Then, yung ginawa namin the whole time dun is promo tour, mga performances, mga
Food
radio,
trip.
food trip, vlog, and matutuwa ka kasi yung genuine yung reactions ng mga locals doon, yung mga taga-ibang bansa.
Yeah.
Pero iba sila mag-appreciate. Pagka nagbabasking po kasi kami kapag lumilipad kami.
Yes.
And every time pag nagbabasking po kami, may mga humihinto na locals na parang, what are they
Curious.
doing? Parang,
Na-curious sila.
Oo. So every after performance may lalapit parang, you guys are good, ganun,
Mhm.
ganun.
Keep it up.
Keep it up.
Yeah.
Talagang manonood sila. Hindi sila yung parang dadaan lang, tapos aalis na.
Of
So,
course. Yes.
Tatapusin nila yung performance. So
Mhm.
nakakatawa.
I think there's a super beautiful message to take from that where it's sometimes things get pushed back or changed and you think, is this a door closing? But then it's truly a door opening. And you've been going through so many transformative periods. You've been getting closer with fans here in the Philippines, your fans around the globe. And now you're about to put out a huge new project. You said that it's your year this year. Tell us why.
Sa, parang we all felt it. Like what I said a while ago. We started the year strong. The songs that we have,
Mhm.
we are very confident. Even if we don't get like a trending song or a really popular song, we know that everything will start to go up from.
You know
from
that
here.
you've made great music. So that's what matters.
Yeah.
Yes.
That one. And also, we improved so much and ano pa ba? Mas malakas yung brotherhood namin ngayon.
Yeah. Saka
That
tama rin
one.
si Mickey kasi mararamdaman mo yan eh. And ang maganda dito, lahat kami pantay-pantay sa kaming 5 and yung buong team parang naniniwala kami na okay, let's do this. Let's make it this year. Tsaka kapag you believe, it will happen. Parang manifestation. naman yun.
Manifestation.
Super true. So what is the goal? Where are you going? Where are you taking this? Where do you want it to go?
International.
Oh my gosh.
Definitely.
Ako, yung sinasabi natin dati. Sinasabi
Go,
naman
sabihin
natin
mo.
dati. Of
Say it.
course, we want to uh, go on tour na sa malalaking stadium
Yes.
Mhm.
and not just here in the Philippines and also outside the Philippines and maka number one and reach more people, reach more
Yes.
audience na makakapag-connect kami sa heart nila, sa tenga nila. And also, yung pinaka-goal natin dati, to inspire other people.
Yes.
Diba?
Yung mga pangarap namin dati na lagi namin sinasabi, sinabi to ni JL isang beses yung parang yung mga tao sa kapitbahay mo, yung tipong kilala ka
Ah.
na.
Meron pa ako
ganung
specific
level.
na sinabi.
Sa jeep?
Sa
Hindi.
tricycle.
Pag meron ka nang pag narinig mo na yung songs mo na ginagamit sa Zumba. Zumba. Sa mga nagzo-Zumba na mga mommies. So, parang
Yes.
dun mo lang malalaman na kilala na yung song mo. Ganun.
Zumba tsaka Jeep.
Diba? Parang pag
Zumba tsaka
randomly mo
Yeah,
siya
no,
maririnig.
true.
Mga Budots remix, ganun.
Yeah.
Oo.
Pag nagka-remix na lang
Pag
Budots.
nagka-remix
Ayun
na ng
na.
Budots.
Yeah.
Kasi yung
Ayan.
jeep na umaandar na 150 kilometers sa EDSA, ganun. Pag dun mo na narinig yung mga songs mo, parang, oh my God, alam na nila yung
Sa EDSA yung 150.
mga 3 a.m.
Parang
ganun.
Parang sa lahat ng sinabi rin namin, syempre, gusto rin and goal din namin is longevity for the group po.
Definitely longevity. And I guess saying that your original goal and your core is to inspire people, and having gone through so much through the last 4 years and coming together and saying that you have that brotherhood, what would you say, or how would you say you want to inspire people now? What is your message to them?
Pinaka-message na po namin is, kahit madaming nanghihila pababa,
Mm-hmm.
hindi na maiwasan eh. Kasi even if you're a good guy, even if kahit sino, may haters lagi.
Mm-hmm.
So, if ganon, keep going, keep doing what you love,
Yes.
and keep
Maniwala ka sa sarili mo kasi yun nga, mas kilala mo yung sarili mo tsaka yung bawat isa.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
tsaka katulad ng sinabi ni Mickey about sa hindi naman lahat magkakagusto sa'yo. That's true. Pero since yung songs nga namin sa EP namin and kahit sa mga previous is about being yourself and nakasentro lang siya sa love and as long as wala ka naman napaka na tao, go lang ng go.
Yeah.
Huwag mong kakalimutang
Super true.
maging ikaw.
No.
That's,
Oo.
Yeah.
Palagi.
that's, yun yung sinasabi natin dati pa. Be yourself.
Mm.
And I mean, there's so many new listeners and so many people, not only here in the Philippines but around the world, that are about to discover you. So if they were to discover you now, who is that they're discovering? Who are you right now?
For me, hello, new listeners, if you ever see this. We are BGYO. We're 5 guys. We are really loud and we're real
Mhm.
and we like to joke a lot, but if you get to watch us on stage, I'm sure you'll enjoy our music. And if you listen to our lyrics, I hope you realize that it's okay to be yourself and to be there for others and go through the different stages of life and accept things as they are.
Perfect.
We love that. No, that's amazing. And I mean, I think what you said in the beginning about rebirth is so true. And we're talking to a new BGYO. We're talking to who you are now and where you're going. And there's so many people that are going to discover you. We're super excited for that. What are you most excited for right now?
Solo.
Ako, go.
Go.
There's so many things.
Yes.
Ako bukod sa mga songs na naka-line up, syempre yung first concert namin.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Which is super excited na kinakabahan. Na
Mhm.
halo-halong emosyon. Kaya inunahan ko na kasi.
Pero yeah,
alam ko.
concert and yung mga following songs namin, yun yung pinaka-excited ako. Ikaw?
I'm excited to perform our, like, our hype songs with like the energetic crowds and just like go crazy with
Mhm.
everybody and enjoy.
Yes.
Ako excited na ako pumunta sa mga iba't ibang lugar, hopefully. And
Oh, yes.
ma-perform for the first time and for a long time yung mga bagong kanta kasi sobrang dami ring nakabangko na hindi niya pa napapakinggan for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Ako pag na-release na po yung songs, yung makita kung paano appreciate ng tao yung songs na nire-release namin. Mas excited ako na makita reaction nila. Yun po sa
May
akin.
add pa ako.
Go.
Sige.
Excited tayo sa mga new challenges this year.
Ayan. Wow.
Yes.
Diba?
True yan.
Na-
True.
Siyempre, kailangan ka pa rin ma-excite sa mga yung mga challenges na Kasi
True.
yun yung talaga mas makakapagpatibay sa atin.
Totoo.
Part yan eh.
Part ng journey yan.
Mhm.
And
A blessing.
excited na din akong
Dadagdagan ko na.
Cheesy ba yan?
Para naisip, okay na pala yung sinabi niya.
Joke
Five
lang.
ever.
Enough na pala.
Are there artists that you want to work with or collaborate with?
Oh shoot.
Dami. Oo.
Meron mo
Pero
mga
open-
sinasabi since yung day one na may mga hindi pa natin nakaka-collab.
BTS.
Siyempre, yun lagi natin sinasabi.
Oo.
Siyempre, hindi naman masama mangarap.
Totoo.
True.
Pero
I
marami,
think-
open naman po kami sa for
I-
collaboration.
Go.
So kung sino man po yung lumapit.
Yeah.
First thing in mind sa'yo.
Ben and Ben, Bruno Mars.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes.
Masama mangarap.
Oh, I think one of our songs would be good with Bad Bunny.
Oh,
Bad
that would
Bunny,
be really
yeah.
cool.
Feature.
Definitely.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Ako, para maiba, mga naman, since boy group, isang western na girl artist. Pwedeng si Ariana, si Doechii,
Pwede lang.
Doja
Pwede
Cat.
lang.
Ate Naomi, ikaw na to.
Pwede na. Oo.
Pwede na sila Ariana.
Ate Ariana. Tawagan mo na. Oo.
Defying gravity.
Alpha ba?
Ikaw. Ako na lang ba? Sino? Jonas Brothers. Pwede.
Oh,
Pwede.
okay.
Pwede.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jonas
That would be
Brothers.
cool.
8 tayo.
Yeah.
Sasayaw din sila.
Is there, after have been done so much already within 4 years of your career, what is the thing that you still want to accomplish most?
One thing na I think hindi natin alam kailan natin ma-accomplish is yung to have a song that would be super famous all around the world. And we're hoping that we'll have that song one day, but we're not in a hurry. We all have each other's time.
Is this the project?
I hope so.
Yes.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Yes.
That's
Yes.
the answer we want. Yes.
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 Yes. Well, we are so excited for you. We are looking forward to the new music, and by the time this is out, it will be out. So, since we're kind of going into the future when people see this, what are your favorite songs on the new project?
Light my fire.
Which one do you think is gonna be the hit?
Oh shoot.
Oh, so we can look back at it. If it happens, we can look back at the clip. Clip it. What's the song? What's the song?
My favorite is Light My Fire, but I think the hit will be Divine.
Okay, Divine.
Same po kay Nate.
Divine.
Light My Fire yung favorite, pero I think Divine yung talagang tatatak sa tao din.
Wow. Okay.
I love trash, but I also love yung binanggit na Light My Fire and
Oo.
Divine. The key track. Well,
Which one will be the
Oh,
Which
no,
one will be
yeah.
the
Divine.
Oh, okay.
Divine.
Divine. Same answer.
Divine.
Yes, I think Divine
And
talaga.
that's the name of the project too, right? So you guys are putting it all forward on it. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Divine?
Exactly. What about Divine do you love so much?
It's so divine.
The music itself is
Parang sa Candy Crush. Divine.
Ano catchy?
I love the choreo. It's easy. The chorus is
Mm.
easy, and singing it is actually easy too. So anybody can do it. I think that's what I like about it.
Universal siya.
Yes.
Oo.
Yung vibes ng mismong song po.
Yep.
Tsaka yung kung gaano siya kagaan and kung gaano kasarap pakinggan na.
Masarap
Yes.
pakinggan tapos love ko yung lahat ng parts dun sa song. Parang ganun
Mm.
level.
Ako, same. Parang, kahit kailan, almost, parang, kaya mo pakinggan, di ba? Kahit malungkot
Yeah.
ka. Kahit malungkot ka.
Yeah.
Yes, tsaka parang first time ko ma-feel yung hindi ko ma-explain anong feeling yun eh. Basta same feeling nung napakinggan ko yung Trash na parang nagulat ka na parang, uy,
This is
may
our
something
song.
dito sa song na to.
It's magic.
May magic,
Yeah.
yun. Parang siguro may magic. Parang, yun yung na-feel ko na, hindi ko ma-explain. Pero, yeah.
You mentioned another song earlier, Light My Fire. Am I saying that correctly?
R&B.
It's my favorite. Yeah, it's my favorite. It's R&B, and I said earlier in the room, it sounds like when I heard the demo, it was like, this guy sounds like The Weeknd.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sounds like that, and it's like you're like standing on top of a mountain with the wind blowing for me.
Oh, we want
It's-
that.
Yeah,
Yes.
it feels so refreshing.
Ako parang yung nasa big hall na parang ganun yung
Yeah.
Empty stadium. Oh.
Yeah. Oh,
malaking
Tutok yung spotlight niya.
Biglang pag
kulay
Puno.
dim yung
Ako, yung una ko napakinggan yung Light My Fire, the first part, parang nag-goosebumps ako. Yung intro. Yeah. When I first heard it, tapos malakas yung bass, I was like, oh.
yeah. It's
Parang
It's so
sarap ito live performance.
May
Yeah.
magic. May magic.
It sounds like that when there's so much intention going into this project that the manifestation that you've been wanting since the beginning, it's like you see yourself on those big stages, you see yourself going farther, being global, collaborating with BTS, doing all these things. You hear the song and you know you want the song because you know what it's for. You're seeing it and you're already telling me you see the arena, you see it in front of you. Are we going to be able to hear it? No?
Believe to achieve.
We built up Light My Fire a lot. Let's do it. Light My Fire. Let's game. Okay. Wait, this is the first time we are doing this on Billboard Philippines Volumes. We're listening to a song with the
Reaction
artist
video pa.
live.
nakaka-pressure.
Sige, let's listen to it.
Let's
Thank
go.
you. First time here.
yay!
Yeah. Wow. Okay, that was an experience. Now I understand. We understand it now.
I understand it now.
Grabe, rebirth talaga. Oh. How does it feel? This is where you're at. This is the level you're playing at. The music's great. I'm going to say it right now. What do these lyrics mean to you?
Well, yung pakiramdam siguro muna po. Siguro ang masasabi ko, sobrang thankful kami sa team namin ngayon. Like, bawat tao, sobrang importante sa amin. From wardrobe, from sa RM namin, managers, handlers, lahat. Sobrang nagtutulungan kami ngayon and mas ramdam namin yung isa't isa. And kaya, yung mga song, kaya sabi niyo na parang may feeling, may love. I think, yung soul, tsaka yung hard work na pinagsama-sama ng nasa team namin talaga.
Yeah, and I think all of the songs in the EP, but for me, I think Light My Fire speaks to me and us like it's like it's the lyrics are literal, like it blows my mind, like everything feels so unreal and like it's just all good and positive and like the relationship with the song or like on stage and connecting to Aces, it's like it describes that feeling through Light My Fire for me.
Sobrang nakaka-excite din po talaga yung tatahakin namin this year. Dahil kasama rin namin yung mga songs and magkakasama pa rin kami. So we're very excited for what's coming and kung ano yung pwede namin ibigay sa tao.
Mm-hmm. No, definitely feeling a strong energy of humility, loving the centerness that you're showing right now. It seems like you know the new path you're on and where you want to go. You're working for it. The music's great. We're excited for you guys. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you. Yes. This has been Billboard Philippines Volumes with BGYO. The new chapter. Here we are.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Billboard Philippines.